sings. She sings beautifully. That extra word that I have written here is an adverb. So if adjectives really provides life and describe a noun, whereas adverbs really adds energy to the actions. So let us learn that super topic adverbs in this video. So stay tuned until the end and watch it completely so that you will understand the complete topic adverbs in one shot. So, what is an adverb? Adverbs are the versatile words. They modify the verbs, they modify the adjectives, and they also modify the other adverbs. Okay, so let us learn the adverbs in manner, time, place, frequency, or degree in detail. The first is adverbs of manner. So let us take some examples. I can tell you in a shortcut for every word, if you add ly at last, it will be your adverb. Just add ly. Swiftly, gracefully, enthusiastically. So all the ly words are the adverbs. Remember this? All the ly words are adverbs of manner. Yes. Coming to the adverbs of time. So it will specifically tell you the time. For example, yesterday, now, soon, tomorrow, okay, morning, night. All these are adverbs. They specifically tell you the particular time. And coming to the adverbs of place, okay, so they tell you where you are going and where you are. So for example, the pen is here. The pen is here. So here is the adverb of place. The boy is there. Okay, there is the adverb. The sun is everywhere. So everywhere is the adverb. So it specifically tells you the place. Coming to the adverbs of frequency. Okay, what is frequency? Generally we use this words. For example, I always love to read books. I always love to read books. So here I'm using like a general frequency. So always I will read the books. So always is the adverb of frequency. And coming to the I occasionally go to library. I occasionally go to library. So it is explaining the frequency of your going to library. So occasionally is the adverb of frequency. Even if you can see here, it is an ly word, so automatically it will be the adverb. Generally, it will tell you the habits, routines with precision. Coming to the adverbs of degree. So degree means like they add the shades of the strength and the importance of the language. So like very, quiet, extremely, okay, all these kind of words also categorize under the adverbs. Coming to the placement of adverbs, where you have to place them, it's very, very, very important. It's very important because most of the sentences are made mistaken by the students only in this point because they don't know where to put the verb and where to place the adverb. See, for example, I'm taking this. She quickly ran to catch the bus. Okay, this is a right way. But people will write first pronoun, they will write subject. Immediately they will write the verb. She ran quickly to catch the bus, where the emphasis is on the speed of the action. Okay, so when we place before the verbs, the adverbs often emphasize the action, but compared to the when we put adverb after the verb. So the correct is that first you have to describe the verb. You have to modify the verb. So what is an adverb? Adverb is nothing but modifying, right? Modifying the verb. Modifying verb means it has to be before the verb. This is the pattern. First adverb has to come, second the verb has to come. Quickly ran. She quickly ran. She beautifully sang. She She happily ended her day. So all these kind of sentences have adverbs first and verb second. So this is the right position and right placement of adverbs. Done. So today in this video we learned all about the adverbs, which are the powerful tools of our communication. And yes, I really want to tell each and everybody to keep practicing what all we have been learning in the grammar part. Create sentences, keep writing, and keep practicing and talking with your friends. In the next video, we are going to do prepositions. So until now, if you didn't subscribe and follow, please do it and follow our English grammar series and make English super easy. Thank you.